Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Today's video is this, and it's really easy. So I've left an example. I actually cut out the lines where you could kind of see it if you want to take a screenshot of that, but you don't have to. On this one, you don't have to cut out the lines, and you don't have to do any multiple interactive fill tools. So I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. You don't want to make it too thick. And then we're going to take these two and Control D and rotate them 45 degrees. And then all you have to do is delete these two lines. And that's it. Just those two lines. Now, we're going to group this together so we can move it in a second or get rid of it. Control G. We're going to take the Smart Fill tool and just fill it in with that color's fine. Then we're going to get the Interactive Fill tool and we're going to swipe through there. We're going to put yellow on both ends. And then we're going to grab that orange back and put it approximately in the middle where you get that plus sign. And you can play around with that, and that's really good. Now, since I grouped these together, I can nudge them out of the way. I've still got my indexing lines for the center of the page. Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the X and move it to the center. Then double check it's there. Rotate it 45 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. And there you have it. It's interlocked, and it appears to be all the way around pretty good. I mean, you could play around with it a little bit more, but when you put it on a black background or a dark colored shirt or printer on something, I think that would look pretty spectacular. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.